As we age, collagen production naturally declines, leading to fine lines, wrinkles, and loss of elasticity. Using a high-quality collagen serum can help restore skin firmness, smooth texture, and youthful radiance. But with so many options, choosing the right one can be overwhelming. That's why we've curated the best collagen serums, highlighting number 5 top products that boost collagen, hydrate, and rejuvenate your skin naturally. In this video, we'll explore their unique features, benefits, and how to incorporate them into your daily routine for visible anti-aging results.
Kicking off our list at number 1, the Inkey List Collagen Booster. The Inkey List Collagen Booster is a potent serum designed to enhance natural collagen production, improve skin elasticity, and reduce the appearance of fine lines. Its lightweight formula penetrates deeply into the skin, delivering key ingredients that support firmness and rejuvenation without feeling heavy or greasy. Suitable for all skin types, it integrates seamlessly into any skincare routine to promote a youthful and smooth complexion. Key features: the serum contains Matrixyl 3000, a peptide complex that stimulates collagen synthesis, and acetylhexapeptide 8 to target expression lines. Hyaluronic acid provides deep hydration, while the formula remains free of parabens, sulfates, and synthetic fragrances. Its fast-absorbing texture allows layering under moisturizers or makeup effortlessly. Benefits and usage: this collagen booster serum improves skin firmness, enhances elasticity, and reduces visible wrinkles with regular use. Apply a few drops to cleansed face and neck twice daily, morning and evening. It nourishes the skin, helps maintain moisture balance, and leaves a smooth, plump texture, resulting in a revitalized and youthful complexion over time. Usability: the lightweight, non-greasy texture spreads easily and absorbs quickly. Its neutral scent ensures a pleasant application experience, while the dropper design allows precise, hygienic dispensing. Suitable for sensitive, dry, or combination skin, it layers well under other skincare products without interference. Durability: a small amount is sufficient per application, making a single bottle last several months. Its stable formulation maintains potency and effectiveness over time, ensuring consistent collagen support, hydration, and improvement in skin texture for long-term benefits.
In the second spot, we have Elemis Pro-Collagen Super Serum. The Elemis Pro-Collagen Super Serum is a luxurious anti-aging serum designed to smooth, firm, and hydrate skin while combating signs of aging. Infused with high-performance ingredients, it penetrates deep layers of the skin to stimulate collagen production, restore elasticity, and improve overall radiance, making it ideal for mature skin or anyone seeking a visibly youthful complexion. Key features: key ingredients include Padina pavonica extract to support skin elasticity, tripeptide technology to boost collagen, and hyaluronic acid for intense hydration. The formula is free from parabens and artificial dyes, and it features a silky, fast-absorbing texture that works well under creams or makeup. Suitable for most skin types, it provides luxury skincare results without irritation. Durability: a few drops per use are sufficient, making one bottle last for months. Its stable formula retains potency, consistently delivering hydration, elasticity support, and collagen-boosting effects. Long-term use improves skin firmness and appearance, making it a reliable anti-aging addition to any routine. Coming in at number 3 is the Algenist Genius Liquid Collagen. The Algenist Genius Liquid Collagen is a powerful liquid collagen serum that targets sagging, fine lines, and loss of elasticity. Formulated with hyaluronic acid and vegan collagen, it works to restore the skin's structural integrity, resulting in firmer, smoother, and radiant skin. Its lightweight, fast-absorbing texture makes it ideal for daily use on all skin types. Key features: the serum contains vegan collagen to help rebuild the skin's support structure, hyaluronic acid to promote elasticity, and peptides to smooth the appearance of fine lines. Free from parabens, sulfates, and artificial fragrances, it delivers clean, high-performance skincare results. Its liquid formula absorbs quickly, leaving skin plump and hydrated. Benefits and usage: Algenist Genius Liquid Collagen restores elasticity, improves firmness, and minimizes wrinkles. Apply 2 to 3 drops to cleansed face and neck morning and evening. Its hydrating properties keep skin soft and supple while supporting natural collagen production. Regular use enhances skin texture, radiance, and youthful appearance, providing noticeable anti-aging results over time. Usability: the liquid serum spreads easily and absorbs rapidly, leaving no residue. It layers seamlessly under moisturizer or makeup and is suitable for dry, combination, or sensitive skin. The subtle, fresh scent adds to the application experience, and the dropper design ensures precise, hygienic usage. Durability: a small amount per application provides full coverage, ensuring the bottle lasts for months. Its potent, stable ingredients retain effectiveness over time, delivering consistent hydration and collagen support. With continued use, skin appears firmer, smoother, and more youthful, making it a reliable long-term serum. Taking our 4th spot is Peter Thomas Roth Collagen Serum. The Peter Thomas Roth Collagen Serum is a high-performance anti-aging serum formulated to enhance collagen production, smooth fine lines, and restore skin elasticity. This serum targets visible signs of aging while delivering intense hydration, making it suitable for mature, dry, or combination skin seeking a firmer, more youthful appearance. Key features: key ingredients include hydrolyzed collagen to strengthen skin structure, peptides to boost elasticity, and hyaluronic acid for deep hydration. The lightweight formula absorbs quickly without leaving a sticky residue and is free from parabens and synthetic fragrances. Its clinical-grade formula delivers visible anti-aging benefits with consistent use. Benefits and usage: Peter Thomas Roth Collagen Serum firms, smooths, and hydrates the skin while reducing the appearance of fine lines. Apply a few drops to cleansed face and neck morning and evening. The serum enhances elasticity, supports collagen synthesis, and improves overall texture. Regular use results in a smoother, plumper, and more youthful-looking skin with improved resilience over time. Usability: the serum's lightweight texture spreads easily and layers well with moisturizers or sunscreen. Its neutral scent is pleasant and non-irritating, and the dropper ensures precise application. Suitable for most skin types, it integrates effortlessly into daily routines, providing reliable collagen support without heaviness or discomfort. Durability: only a few drops are needed per application, allowing a single bottle to last several months. Its stable, high-quality ingredients maintain effectiveness over time, consistently promoting collagen production, hydration, and firmness. Long-term use results in a more resilient, youthful, and radiant complexion.